Have you ever wondered what secrets lie buried beneath miles of ice? What if I told you the true history of our planet isn't just in books but frozen in time at the bottom of the world? Today we're journeying to the most mysterious and isolated place on Earth, Antarctica. This isn't just a frozen wasteland. It's a forbidden continent, a time capsule holding the keys to our planet's past, present, and future. For centuries, Antarctica has captivated the human imagination. It's a land of extremes, a place so harsh and remote that it feels like another planet. But beneath its icy armor, Antarctica is a scientific goldmine. Think about it. The ice here is ancient, with layers that go back hundreds of thousands, even millions of years. Each layer is like a page in Earth's diary, trapping bubbles of ancient atmosphere. Scientists drill deep into this ice, pulling out what are called ice cores. These long cylinders of ice are phenomenal. By analyzing the trapped air, dust, and volcanic ash, researchers can literally reconstruct past climates with incredible detail. They can tell you what the temperature was, how much carbon dioxide was in the air, and even when major volcanic eruptions happened, all from a single piece of ice. It's like having a time machine that lets us witness Earth's climate history firsthand. But the secrets don't stop with the ice itself. What lies beneath the ice sheet is even more mind-blowing. We used to think it was just frozen rock. We were wrong. Thanks to advanced technology like ice-penetrating radar, scientists discovered a vast network of hundreds of subglacial lakes and rivers, hidden under more than 2 miles of solid ice. Imagine lakes that have not seen the light of day or been in contact with our atmosphere for millions of years. One of the most famous is Lake Vostok, a body of water the size of Lake Ontario, buried deep under the East Antarctic ice sheet. The water in these lakes is ancient, and the life it might hold is even more tantalizing. Scientists have found microbes, tiny, resilient organisms thriving in these dark, cold, high-pressure environments. These aren't just any microbes. They are living fossils, potentially offering a glimpse into how life might survive in extreme conditions, not just on ancient Earth, but possibly on other planets and moons in our solar system, like Mars or Europa. Studying these extremophiles is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible for life. They are rewriting the textbooks on biology and resilience. Now, how do we even explore such a place? The challenges are immense. The extreme cold, the crushing pressure of the ice, and the sheer remoteness make it one of the most difficult places to work on Earth. But that's where modern science, especially up to 2025, has made incredible leaps. We're not just talking about bigger drills. We're talking about sophisticated remote sensing from satellites that map the entire continent in stunning detail. We have autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, that are like robotic submarines. These can be sent down boreholes drilled through the ice to explore the subglacial lakes directly, collecting water samples and mapping the lake bed without contaminating the pristine environment. Genomic sequencing has also become a game changer. Scientists can now take a tiny water sample and within hours sequence the DNA of all the organisms living in it. This allows them to identify new species and understand the unique genetic adaptations that allow them to survive in such an extreme world. It's a revolution in polar science. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Every time we pierce the ice, there's a risk of contamination. We could introduce modern microbes into these ancient, isolated ecosystems, potentially destroying them before we even understand them. This has led to intense international debate and strict protocols. How do we explore this last frontier ethically? How do we balance our thirst for knowledge with the need to preserve this unique environment? The governance of Antarctica, guided by the Antarctic Treaty, is more important now than ever. So why does all this matter to you and me, living thousands of miles away? Because what happens in Antarctica doesn't stay in Antarctica. The continent acts as Earth's air conditioner. Its massive ice sheets reflect sunlight back into space, helping to regulate global temperatures. The Southern Ocean surrounding it absorbs a huge amount of heat and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The research being done there is crucial for understanding the most pressing issue of our time: climate change. By studying how the ice sheets have responded to past climate shifts, scientists can build better, more accurate models to predict what will happen in the future. They are looking for tipping points, thresholds beyond which changes could become rapid and irreversible. For example, studying the stability of the West Antarctic ice sheet is critical. Some parts of it are grounded below sea level, making them vulnerable to warm ocean currents. If it were to collapse, it could raise global sea levels by several meters, flooding coastal cities around the world. The data we get from Antarctica isn't just academic. It's essential for our survival. It helps governments and communities prepare for the future, whether that means building better sea defenses or working to reduce our carbon footprint. The history locked in Antarctica's ice is not just about the past. It's a direct warning for our future. The ice cores show a clear link between carbon dioxide levels and global temperatures. As we continue to pump CO2 into the atmosphere, we are pushing the climate into a state not seen for millions of years. Antarctica's geological records provide the context. The long-term perspective that proves our current situation is unprecedented in human history. As we look towards 2025 and beyond, the exploration of Antarctica will only become more advanced and more critical. We will probe deeper, analyze with greater precision, and uncover secrets we can't even imagine yet. We might find new forms of life, unlock new understandings of our planet's systems, and refine our predictions for the future of our climate. Antarctica is the forbidden continent, not because we are barred from entry, but because its secrets are so profound and its environment so fragile. It holds the true, unbiased history of our planet, a story written in ice, water, and rock. It is a story that we are just beginning to read, and one that we must listen to if we want to navigate the challenges ahead. The past, present, and future of Earth are all connected in this one magnificent frozen continent. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to the bottom of the world. If you found this as fascinating as I do, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the mysteries of our planet. See you next time.